Morning guys, Mike from Clenerack here. Thank you for joining us. Today I'm going to be taking you through one of our installation kits. So you'll see over here, we've got our black one. This is the Hollywood range. And then over here we have our standard range. Only difference between the two is this one's anodized black, where this is a standard anodized finish. So no, it's not spray painted or galvanized. It is actually anodized. Now if we go through to the system, now, before I tap into the system, I'd like to give you guys a little bit of information about Clenergy, our partners. Clenergy have been around since 2007. They were one of the first solar mounting companies in the world. They are now present throughout 52 different countries, and we are now bringing them to South Africa. They have over 80% of the Australian market, so we know that their products are good, and we know that it is quality that we can offer our country. Going into this actual system, what makes it so much quicker and easier to install than any other railing system is purely this ease and simplicity of the actual rail design. You'll see on the bottom profile you've got a J shape, and at the top you've got a T shape. On the J shape is where your interfaces will clip onto, so your mounting components, you will place those onto the roof, mount them to your purlins, and then you would simply clip your rail in and tighten the bolts as you go along. With regards to saying that, should you need to extend your rail lengths, we've got a splice kit which fits directly through the middle of your actual tube, the profile. We provide you with the self-tapping screws, and we even go as far as providing you with a guideline on your actual rail component as to where your self-tapping screws need to go in order to extend your rail lengths. As you will see, we provide you with your cable management clips. These are to ensure that your cables are kept nice and neat underneath your installation. We've also got your earthing plates over here. This is to earth your solar panels to your actual rail component. At the end over here, we've got our grounding lugs. These are to ground your installations, as opposed to using a self-tapping screw into the side of your profile, like a couple of the guys do. And then we've got our end and our mid clamp components. The best part about these components is the ease and the simplicity of the components, and that's through the design from Australia. You'll see we've got a V-shape over here, which simply goes over the profile of your rail, and with a push, clips on, slides in, and then all you're using is a standard 6mm bit to tighten every bolt. Yes, one 6mm bit will tighten every nut and bolt on this whole installation. You're no longer having to go and shop around for different tools to try and sort out your installation. Now you can do it just with one bit. Thanks guys.